Engineering wonder Hagia Sophia. Dome engineering. The most distinctive feature of Hagia Sophia is its great dome. With a height of 55.6 meters and a diameter of 31.87 meters, it was the largest dome of the time and a great feat of engineering. The pendentives and half-dome structures used to balance the weight of the dome are considered an extraordinary architectural solution. Use of materials and durability. The materials used in the construction of Hagia Sophia are remarkable for their strength and durability. The bricks and stones used provided the building with a long-lasting structural durability. Especially the marble columns in the building are an architectural feat of engineering, and the transportation and placement of these columns shows the technological skills of that period. Symmetry and balanced structure. One of the most important engineering features of Hagia Sophia is its symmetry and balanced structure. The building was built with a balanced planning and has a largely symmetrical design. This gave the building solidity and a balanced structural resistance. Restoration and durability. Hagia Sophia has faced many earthquakes and natural disasters throughout history. One of the factors that enabled the building to survive is the restoration works carried out over time. Restorations have provided an important engineering contribution to increase structural durability and to transfer the building to future generations. Hagia Sophia is considered one of the greatest structural achievements of that period in terms of engineering. Its architectural details and the techniques used remain a subject of study and learning for students of engineering and architecture, even today. Legends and stories. The legend of the origin of the bricks. There are legends that the bricks used in the dome of Hagia Sophia were made with a special formula at the time. One of these legends is that the formula for the bricks was so valuable and exclusive only to the craftsmen working on the construction of the dome that the eyes of the brickmakers were gouged out. The legend of the column brought from Jerusalem, the column known as the ornate column, inside Hagia Sophia is rumored to have been brought from Jerusalem. This column was brought from the column where Jesus Christ was crucified and used in the construction of Hagia Sophia. The mystery of relics. Hagia Sophia has been home to various sacred items throughout history. During the Ottoman period, there are legends that various holy relics were kept here. According to some, valuable items such as the beard of the Prophet Muhammad were kept here. The legend of the Doomsday Gate, the symbols and engravings on the door known as the Doomsday Gate, located at the southwest entrance of Hagia Sophia, have been the subject of many legends. According to one legend about this door, it is said that the opening of the door will bring about the end of the world. Legendary stories of geometry and symmetry. According to some legends, it is believed that there is a hidden geometric order in the architecture of Hagia Sophia. Stories circulate that symmetry and geometric arrangements have a special meaning. Hagia Sophia is an important building that has been the subject of many stories and legends throughout history, and has preserved its mystery until today. These legends further enrich the mystical atmosphere and intriguing features of the building.